All right, I'll be using my WhatsApp to do this, but at some point I'll be turning it to a landscape mode. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp, and now I want to get to Meta AI, which is this. So I'm going to be turning it to a landscape mode, then we can continue. All right, I've already turned it to a landscape mode, so I will want to begin typing. Okay, I want to ask Meta AI something about Processpreneur. Let's see if it can help us to create a profile picture for our YouTube channel. That thing that looks like a logo, okay? So I'll ask, kindly help me create a YouTube channel profile picture. Okay, I hope you understand that's what I mean. Profile picture for my new channel, Processpreneur. Okay, always I would like to add what the channel is about so that it can give the AI an idea of what I am working towards. Okay, so I'll now go. The channel is about how to make money while helping people with solutions we discovered during a struggle moment that helped us succeed. Let me leave it at this. I hope I was able to explain it well. So let me send it. Now he has created something. Let me see if I can minimize this and see what he created. He created someone's face. I don't think I need this, but let it load first. Okay. Wow, Processpreneur. Did you see what he did? You can still use it too, but it's not my face. But I love the fact that he puts YouTube logo here, then Processpreneur, and then YouTube. I might use this, so I might use it. Okay, but let's see something else. Let me go back there and just write more options and send. So let's see if it's bringing. I don't like the fact that it's bringing people's face. I don't need a face, but a logo. Okay. Okay. He has not given me a logo. I think it's that profile picture that I wrote that made it think I was asking for someone's picture. Okay, see the logo he gave. It's too complicated for me, even though they wrote Processpreneur something. Let me ask it to keep it simple. Keep it simple. I don't like complicated stuff. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, that's all done. This looks cool, except that F is what they put at the middle. Except I will now take out that F and now put a P. But then I'm liking this color combination here. I'm liking it. Yes, I'm liking it. So I think I'll work with this. I'll take it to Canva. At this middle part now, I'll put a P. Okay, and something else. I think this will really go well for the channel. Okay, I like the background, I like the color. I think I'll substitute it with the other color I had in mind. But let's see one more. Another option. Let's see one more. So you can do this with your phone. I have to put this in a landscape, okay? So that this one is too complicated. I like things being simple. Yeah, so what I will do, let me tell you what I will do. I'm going to take this one now. I'm going to take it and then combine it with what we have under here, this thing they gave me, process perennial. Then even though the YouTube they wrote down here has some mistakes, so I will pattern it this way. I love the way here is. Okay, so red will come into that color, so I will add red to this color. Okay, and I believe it will be smart, it will be sharp. Okay, so that's it. So we have created a logo using WhatsApp Meta AI. Are you following this? Okay, like I said, when I get to my Canva in my laptop, I will replace this F here with a P, because the channel name begins with a P. That's process perennial. Okay, when I do that, you will see how this look. Okay, so see you in that next video.